Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize timestamps and markers in Premiere Pro for rapid trimming step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and load your project. Ensure your sequence is open in the timeline. Navigate to the Markers panel. If it's not visible, go to Window and select Markers. Position the playhead at the point where you want to add a timestamp. Press the M key to add a marker. Double-click on the marker to open the marker dialog box. In the dialog, enter a descriptive name for your marker. Set your timestamp format in the Start Time field if necessary. Click OK to save the marker. Repeat this process at all the points that require timestamps. To view all your markers, press the Shift+M shortcut. To use markers for rapid trimming, select the Ripple Edit tool from the toolbar. Use the marker navigator to quickly jump to each marker. Position your playhead at the next marker and review the clip. Perform a cut or trim as needed, then move on to the next marker. This method streamlines the editing process and enhances accuracy. Once all necessary trims are made, review your sequence to ensure smooth transitions. This will help maintain the flow of your project as you finalize your edits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.